Morning. Early squad. Normally I say I don't like morning squads, but I feel a lot more awake than normal. We're starting on the end pair today. For what it's worth, I don't know what it's worth, but it's close to the paddock and that's where my bowling balls are. I don't know who I'm crossing with, don't recognize any of the names, but I think I'm going to throw urethane. If it's anything like practice yesterday. I think the worst game I bowled all year. Not score-wise, but just, you know, shot 168, I threw 4 different balls, I missed a spare, didn't throw a double, so. And they're not very hard. So that's just kind of embarrassing. You know what? We got 11 more games today, so a lot of work to do. Just gotta stay in the process and we'll be fine. Dave shot 279, how'd you do it?
Got one break, made a few good shots. I don't know. I have no idea, to be honest.
You can just say it. Just say it. I'm the best.
No, you're not going to get me to say that.
Dude, we're not on the golf course, that's why.
On the golf course, I would say it because it's, you know, pretty obvious it's not true, but I'm not going to brag.
He's a little closer to being the best here.
If I can keep doing that, man, I'm going to be happy.
Yeah, you're probably going to win.
Yeah, if I keep doing that, I'll win.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I will be the best.
Yeah.
Okay. If I do that all day, I'll say I'm the best. Okay, you got it.
Yeah. Well, he only beat me by 40 that game, but we're back to even, so if we bowl a little bit better, we should be in good shape. Well, that was a little upsetting. I had 248 with a stone 8, second ball in the 10th. And my other 2 misses were 2 flat 10s. So, carry, not the most friendly here. I feel like I'm working really hard to try to make my ball get to the pins the right way. But we got the look now. I don't think we're losing it anytime soon. So, if we can get a couple of breaks, put some big ones up there, we'll be in a good spot going into the break. I am grinding. Shot 226, haven't missed the pocket in 2 games. Just not quite getting my ball to read the lane the right way to shoot 250 every game. Well, we have the pocket, which is good. We just gotta manipulate and make some better shots. We got 2 more games on this pattern. We'll be all right. A couple big ones. Yummy. How'd you do?
Plus 69.
All right.
Spare shooting, spares. Spares are key.
Spares are key.
Kept me at plus 69.
Nice.
Didn't strike enough.
Nice. Speaking of spares, I was clean the last 5 games for like 160 over.
You are
Rub it in.
And I'm not rubbing it in because I didn't strike a whole lot.
just enough to go 160 over.
I didn't strike. No, I had 130 over. Because I have 160 the first game.
Yeah.
I did miss a spare. But yeah, 133 over after the first game, or the first set. We're 100 back of the lead. It's a lot. But nothing we can't make up in 6 games on the short pattern, where we could probably throw the urethane ball. That's probably the biggest mistake we made. We tried to force it in game 1, threw it for 4 frames, no good. At 206, 247 the last 2 games. Stone 9, strike 4-9 in the 9th and 10th. So we had an opportunity to shoot a big one there, but didn't get it. So I'm gonna get some food, We start up the next block in about an hour. And we just gotta be good up here. We'll be all right. We just started block number 2 on Viper. And I think scores are probably gonna be a little lower. I threw some to the gutter in practice and they didn't hook. So they don't seem super friendly at the moment, but it might blow open, we'll see. I could have punched out 9th and 10th for 230. I threw one halfway okay, and it went in the gutter. And then I got 4th at the middle in the 10th, so I had 0.843 for 176. All things considered, not the worst thing in the world. I mean, scores are low. I don't think anybody bowled for 220 the first game, so we're sitting okay. But we started game 2 with spare double. Yeah. We are 201 over. Just bowled 240, 210. Just trying to stay in the pocket and stay clean. Scores are super low. Cuts dropping 10 pins a game. I think with 2 to go, it's going to be close to 40 or 50 over. So we're in pretty soft. Shot making is not fantastic, but I think we're doing the right thing. So we're getting a little bit of score as we go. Swimwear. You got that, what, you had 70 over the last 2?
70, yeah, 70, 69 over the last 2.
Oh yeah, there we go, that's the number.
Plus 1 on the day. Nothing like picking up a 138 in the 8th when you need to shoot 240.
Yeah, I saw you hook that one. I was like, oh my god, the man's got huevos.
I was thinking to throw straight at it.
You scared me.
I just literally stood there. I couldn't figure it out. How am I going to do this?
I'm just going to hook it.
Just throw it hard.
Nice, well, good work. We're both in. I think I'm in 2nd. I don't know. But I'm 100 back of the lead, so there's a lot of work to do. I'm tired. I don't want to be here anymore. I gotta come back super early again. But top 12 tomorrow for match play. Round robin, no step ladder. So if we finish as the number 1 seed, we actually win this time. So that's nice. But solid day. We're gonna go get some food. I'm running out of memory card space. I'm gonna try to preserve that. Cool, we're back in the room. We just had dinner and we're gonna do our final expense breakdown for day 2. Cost-wise for lunch, $9.50. Breakfast was free, provided by the hotel. Thank you to the hotel. Got into the high game pot for $60 and then paid $40 for dinner since we won some money in the high game pot. Bought dinner. We had a return of $170, won 2 high game pots, 85 apiece. And overall, turn a profit, $60.50. And we're currently $643.80 in the hole. So that means I think we need to finish top 5 to make some money. I have no idea what 5th makes. 6th might be kind of close. See you tomorrow for match play, 12 games, 1 pattern per lane. We're gonna have to make moves quick. We're gonna have to commit. We're gonna have to be, keep our wits about us and be very aware of what's going on. All right, we'll see you in the morning.